Welcome back to All the Work, a video blog of my restoration of my 1988 Ski Supreme. I am Joe, a stay-at-home dad who had no previous boat work experience. However, I love this boat and I wanted to get it fixed up and back on the water. In this video, I bring the boat out into the driveway, hook up the fake lake, and I get the engine running again. I have replaced the impeller, I have reinstalled the propeller, I got the engine aligned to the axle. I did that by myself. It came out really great. And now I'm ready to fire it up and find out if all this work has been worth it, if the engine is still good, if it got winterized through the winter, good and everything, and I'm going to be able to just fire it up and run it. It takes a lot of cranking. I end up getting the starter spray, spraying a little starter spray into the carburetor each time, and get it going.
I got engine start. Yeah, I'm gonna start using that a lot. We're gonna go like this, spray this stuff in here. What the?
This is the first time I've ever started an engine really by myself. I've always either had my brother, who's pretty good mechanically, or my cousin Nate, who's super good mechanically, there to help me and watch me and talk me through it.
We're gonna clamp. Do a water dripping brace.
Bryce was out there with me for a lot of it. However, he got bored. Finally, it did turn over. Joe the Dad, subscribe, like. Felt super good when it did turn over and got it started, got it running. The idle was great. It seemed amazing. Actually, idled super good right out of the gate. Went and got Bryce, showed it to him. He was fired up about it. I was fired up about it. So at this point, now I've got a boat that's running. Just a few more rigging things, and then I'm gonna get this thing out in the water, check the transmission, find out how that's going, and just rip it around the lake. So super exciting time in the boat build. It was fairly simple, and I got it going. Okay, here is the windshield. If I get it real tight, you can see the foam pad that I put in to bumper between the windshield and the boat. It came out super great. Turned out to be a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So there it is. I got an engine and a windshield. I am ready to get this thing out in the water. In the next few videos, I will show the first couple test runs as well as building up the LC and getting the rest of the rigging, getting this boat all the way put back together so we can get it on the water and start water skiing. I did not paint it. There's this big scar here that has always kind of bugged me. I really wanted to paint this thing, give it a fresh paint job after the refresh, but that didn't happen. I did take off all the old snaps. This thing used to have the rain cover snaps all around the rim of it. However, I took all those off. I'm gonna buy just a cover that bungee cords around the sides of the boat. Since in the garage, I don't need to cover that often, so I took the snaps off and I got a way cleaner looking boat. Some good glory of the nose foam. It's pretty dirty right now.